Hi guys, Keith Best here. Somebody asked on the webinar last night whether you can actually use Schema on a Weebly site. So I thought I would have a look and see. It actually works out, you can. And you can use Schema within the other thing. Because as you can see, I've got a video here. I'll do the video one first. Now, if you put a normal text box in, like this thing here, whereas in WordPress, you can go from like the visual to the actual text. You can't on Weebly. Excuse my cough. So what you've got to do is use an embed code. Okay, now I thought an embed code was just going to be the pure embed code. However, on that, it's a bit of a funny thing is this. There we go. So edit the custom HTML. That video is decided to now play. So I'll try and get through this before the thing. This code here, you will find in one of my other videos where I actually explain about how to embed videos correctly in your Elementor site. So just nick that code, use it in here, and you put it in there, and basically just do that. Your video is there, and your video is all nice and up. That is a bloody good video, by the way, if anybody does like karate. The bunkai for the actual kata is brilliant, but then again, you're Japanese, so they're going to be. So that's the video schema, which again is dead simple. Make sure you use the embed code and drop the embed code with the schema attached, which is in one of my other videos on my site. Now then, to do the other one, you go into settings, SEO. Now, I'll just delete that just so I can show you where I get it from. Because all of my schema has X fields in and, you know, all sorts of stuff like that. What I did to get that schema is basically run my site and do view source. Yeah. Obviously, if you were creating this for like your own site or whatever, you could create the schema with all the correct details in and just save it. Do a preview, copy it. Yeah, job's a good. Okay, but because mine's got all the X fields in, blah, 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 you know, if I copied that, it would take us forever and a day. So instead, I just ran my site, did that, then all you need to do a search for schema. Found my video one first, so basically all I did, I need to take the verbiage out now because we don't need it. But I just copied from there. Well, actually, I copied from there. That div. Copied up to the end of that div. And just that's the code I added in. Okay. Like I say, this code here, the script code, you don't need the verbiage in now. That's now gone. Thank God, because I always forget to put it in unless I copied and pasted. So you don't need that in, but that's your schema for that. So fine, I'll go back up. Okay, so here's the schema now for the actual site. So if I just copy that, go to, where's the end of the schema? It's there. So make sure you get in from the start of the script, where it says script type equals application LD plus JSON, to the end of the script. Copy it, jump over to your Weebly, put it in your header code, save it. Okay, publish your site. Okay, so if I go now and do structured testing tool, and what was it called? Run the test on that. Hopefully I won't have any errors. Yep, no errors, local business. It's got all my local business schema in there, some speed Rothwell, blah, blah. And if we go back, video object, it's got all my objects in there. Okay, so hope that was helpful for whoever actually asked the question, but you can use it quite easily. Just remember, the hardest one is that one. You've got to use the embed code and not the normal text one. Okay, cheers, catch you later, bye.